up, guys? I'm back. Sorry I ain't posted in a while. Being lazy, I guess. Anyway, if you're new, make sure you like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Oh, I gotta come out here and see if I can get this thing started so I can take it to work with me. Turn it around. Bam! I already seen it a million times. But yet, I gotta take it to work today. Because of this. Look at this. Hold on, let me show you. I can't get into my own car. I locked that thing up somewhere and I couldn't even get into it. I had to break in my car. But I forgot they old, so they got 2 keyholes. So now I have to go get her and unlock it like this. I ain't doing that. But anyways, hope everybody's been doing good and all that good stuff. Let me see. See if I can get it started. Boy, look at that. Got it started. I gotta open my door on the other side. Yeah, see if we can get it started. I know this thing is code nature. I do not like to be started. Let's see if we can get it started. Let's see. Oh, there we go. It sounds good though, but it don't like to stay running in the morning. I swear it don't. So basically, I gotta figure out how to get this door panel off. If you guys can hear me, I gotta figure out how to get all this off and get to that keyhole thing. Boy, that sounds good. Boy, the neighbor is. And I freaking got a service engine light on here. And ain't nothing really wrong. I don't know why it's doing that. I've been slowly playing with it, making sure it's halfway running decent. So, I got all that. Look at that, it's all original, it's so nice. Only thing that's really bad is the back. Like, y'all can see, which all that's about to get, is getting all upholstered. If I'm saying that, upholstered. Let's see if it stays running. Yeah, let's go outside. Get outside. Woo-wee. Yeah, that sounds really good. Yeah, that sounds real good. This is my favorite car. Oh, and I got I'm gonna do a video. So I'm gonna probably do this one and a Corvette today because I had it on my Instagram and Facebook, but I just ain't never made a video of it. I've been too busy and lazy at the same time, so. Ooh, and I got a family member who's like, hey, you ain't posting no more? And I'm like, let me get up here and do it. So I've been waiting, so I gotta go ahead and get that going. But anywho, I'm gonna let this get warmed up, and when I get to work, I'll go ahead and cut this back on, so stay tuned. Alright, we back. Saying goodbye to this. And hello to this. It took like 6 to 8 weeks to get this thing. Yes, sir. That's awesome. I thought I'd show this before I go look at the Corvette. And I traded this thing. Hold up. I still gotta do some cleaning. Yeah, I traded that for a 327 engine. So, if you guys think that was a good deal, leave a comment below or say something about that, because I'm not really sure about it, but I think it's a good deal. Trade that for engine? I think that's good. But anyway, let's go look at this vet. Let's see. Ooh. Let's try to keep it there. That's how the showroom floor. Bam! But the freaking thing is nice. There we go. I have to make sure my lights on. That's nice. Oh, look at that color. Man, look at that. Yes, sir. That kind of threw me off. Hey, G. Oh, he busy. Oh, yeah, he's in there. I don't know what he's doing, though. That sign with the big Buick.
Okay, thank you.
So this thing is nice. Ain't this a 2021? That's nice. Do you know what the color this is? There's old Christopher the Third.
It's orange.
It's not orange. It's a specific orange.
It's
Sebring orange or something like that. Look at this. Stingray. And you can get it today. Right here. Let me pop this. I like the stripes too. I'll get back on that. You can put your Jordans back here, whatever you want to put. Got a 6.2 engine.
I think Sebring orange metallic.
Right.
I mean,
This thing is sick. Man, that is freaking sweet. I just like the pearls, and I'm not even an orange fan, but I just like the pearls that's in it. Oh, y'all gotta get that. Hold up, watch this. Watch this. Got the stripes. I think the stripes even got pearls in it. Yeah, it do. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh yeah, there you go. And I don't know how good. Ugh. Damn, dirty. Grover should let me take this on a test drive. I never bring it back. Yeah, that's nice. For sure.
okay. All right.
Yeah.
Sebring orange tint coat is what it's saying.
Sebring orange tint coat. Yeah, that's about right. Probably got a tri-coat or whatever you call that. The orange and the pearl and the clear. Hey, look at that. This thing is sweet. I put this on my Instagram and stuff, but I never videoed it. And I just now realized it. Man, this thing is nice. Boy, this will look good next to my Caprice. How do you pop the hood on this thing? Oh, right here? No. There we go. Oh, sorry, I'm not the. Yeah, there we go. This is like a Ferrari. Yeah, that's cool. Uh-oh. Yeah, there we go. Neil DeVille. Oh, I like the pearls on the wheels. That's cool. What are these, 20s? Yes, sir. That's nice. Probably a 20 in the rear and a 19 in the front. Yeah, that's nice. What is this, under 100? Or right at it? This one?
Yeah, it's under.
See, that's how much y'all love me. I knew that. I like it. Yeah, that's cool. And that's the troublemaker of the dealership right there, Handy Randy. The official. Anyway, guys, I thought that was pretty cool. hurry. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And I finally figured out what I need to do for my Caprice, so I decided to just do a whole another video by itself and show y'all the Corvette and that. So hope you guys enjoy that. Peace.